Can we withdraw money on Cryptoguru? Hi everybody, today in this video we are going to find out if we can do that or not. So let's just dive right into the video and find out. So for that, you can open up the Cryptoguru application onto your device. When you do that, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So here in your screen, you should be finding a balance on your screen, for example, $3,000. So if you're planning to withdraw this money from Cryptoguru, when we go ahead and tap on it, we won't be finding any withdraw option, as Cryptoguru unfortunately is not a withdrawing app. It is a simulator designed for learning and practicing crypto trading, not for real world trading or withdrawals. So the app is simply designed for users to learn about and practice cryptocurrency tradings, everything about what is going on cryptocurrency in a risk-free environment. So it simulates a real world market conditions, allowing users to experiment with different strategies and trading techniques without any risking actual money. So the money you're seeing right now, it is a virtual balance. It is something you can use in order to trade without risking money, without having the fear of losing money. So for now, it serves as an valuable educational tool for individuals who are interested in cryptocurrency trading. So unfortunately, we cannot withdraw money from Cryptoguru for now. So I hope this information was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.